here with my super awesome, special, wonderful friend, Haley Collins.
So I own a home-based business. That is the Southern House, and I make breast milk keepsakes for women all around the world. And then I just opened Southern Belle Co. It is a full little girls makeover store. So you go in, you pick your princess dress, you get a full makeover with your hair and nails and makeup.
That is awesome. Like, I'm sitting here so excited because I have 2 little girls, and that's like a dream come true. So you can go there, you can have a party, you can dress up like a princess. Like, I was just talking to someone yesterday, and you know, we need to have more fun in life, and this is so awesome.
Yeah.
So, yay! So, okay, we're making something really cool, and I brought a crown. So this is really cool. It's going to be just like our centerpiece of our cake. So we're doing a watercolor floral royal cake, and it has everything to do with what she does. Haley, we're going to do a watercolor kind of design on the cake. So this is going to be really, really fun. And so I just want to show you here, what we're going to do is just put this little Ziploc bag, and you're going to go around the cake and just put like a little dot here, just randomly around the cake. This is going to be really fun. That's awesome. Yes, just little sporadic dots. And you guys can do this too. You can use fall colors with the fall season coming up. I mean, you could add any kind of little fondant detail when you finish with your cake, or little leaves or anything. It's so, so awesome. And now we're going to add like a golden colored yellow. So what's going to happen is, as we put these colors together, it's going to look like a beautiful coral sunset. Okay, it's going to be awesome because all the colors are going to mesh together, and it's going to be beautiful. So I'm super excited. That's awesome. Yes. So perfect. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this guy, you're going to scrape her, and just come along the side of the cake like this, and just kind of spin it around. And we're going to see some really cool watercolor action going on here. That's awesome! Yes! Just the more you spin it, the more awesome it's going to be. And if you feel like you have a lot of frosting here, you can always add some here too. And we have some white to put on there also, once you go around a couple times. That is so pretty! Isn't it awesome? I love it because just the colors, like, it just naturally becomes something so beautiful. So let's add a little bit of some white in here. You can use this and just kind of scrape what you have on there over here. I'm going to add a little bit of some white here, and you can just keep going around there. And this is what gives it that beautiful watercolor effect. That is awesome, Haley. So you can even add a little more pressure if you want to. And it's always good to not use too much pressure at first, so that was good. So, and then add a little bit more as you increase your time. That's really perfect. Awesome! Just looks like the most beautiful sky. It does. Very, very good. So I'm going to add a little bit of this that we took off of there onto the top. So this is so that we can kind of get that watercolor effect on the top. And since it's already mixed together, we're just going to add a little whirl there. And you get a beautiful watercolor look. And when I go around the side here, I'm just going to have you kind of pull this across to make it kind of straight. You know what I mean when I'm saying that?
So,
yeah.
like this, right?
Yeah, just like once, just a little bit. Yeah, and then you can scrape it right in there. Perfect, awesome. And just, you want to make it a little bit more flat. This way, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, and when you do that, you see you're getting the nice crisp edges there. Awesome. Very, very good. Very nice job. So, we're going to add some beautiful flowers to this cake, you guys. It's going to be awesome. But before we do, we're going to do some gold leafing, okay? So, I know this is like totally like new, probably for you. So, this is really, really fragile. It's, I think it's 24 karat. It's some beautiful little gold leaves there, so you can rip that apart if you want to. Really, really fragile. And then when you do, you can just place it on the cake in different places. Yeah, that's so awesome. You got it.
Okay.
She's a natural. Check her out. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is so awesome. Very, very nice. I love how it's turning out. Those colors. Just the gold just makes it pop again. That is so, so awesome. Yay! That is wonderful. Very, very nice. Perfect. And it's, you know, with dessert, the little gold pieces on it just makes it so much more special and dignity. So I love that. As just finishing that up, what we're going to do is we're going to set the crown in the center of the cake. So you can just set it wherever you think. Yeah?
Probably good.
Awesome. And I'm going to let you take the flowers and just arrange them around the crown, however you think looks best. But these are some, and you can press it all the way into the cake too. These are beautiful peonies, I think, right, Auntie Sophia? Yeah, these are beautiful peonies and some roses. It's just beautiful flowers. It makes me so happy. Yes, that's awesome. I love it. It's just so wonderful. And it's kind of like just cascading down, right?
Yeah.
That's perfect. That is totally what I saw too. That is just awesome.
Yes.
Yay! And see, you can use this too if you want to clip it down a little bit. That's awesome. Yes. It's really nice because you can just kind of make it whatever size. So if you have a really big wedding cake and you have a really big tall cake, you can use really, really big long flowers. But if you have a smaller cake and you want to keep everything kind of close together, you can totally trim them down, which is awesome. Oh, these no worries. And sometimes, like, I've used these. You got it? Okay, I've used these so many times and they get worn after a while. I've used them a lot. A lot of weddings. That is awesome. Wow. This could go on the cover of a magazine. This is beautiful. I'm telling you what. See, now you can do this for any birthday, even in your shop too. You know, you can decorate some cakes. You totally could do it. That's awesome. Oh, I just love this. Guys, isn't this perfect? Isn't she great? Give her some thumbs up and stuff, guys, and some hearts. She's awesome. Haley, I adore this. Yeah. She's got a good eye for this stuff. You can tell. Very creative. Which, you know, most business owners or, you know, people who work, I know, I guess every form of people who do that, a lot of them are very creative. So that's very awesome. Awesome, awesome. I love it. This is awesome, guys. Check that out.